So, good afternoon, judges. I am Kunj Dave. I am representing my team, Team Exceptions. So, the task I have completed for this hackathon is task one. It's called Automated Research Trigger Finder, ART Finder. Its main objective is to enhance the of ad analysis via AI. So, how this will work for a company? Let's have a look. So, there will be a company. Company will add their details and company will add that which type of ad they want. After that, the main ad analysis will be done through the big players of the same domain. So we're gonna find big players of the same domain. After that, we're gonna search their ad. Big players search ad. After their ad, we're gonna scrape two things. The main one thing is take a transcript of their ad. So we're gonna extract the transcript, and from that transcript, we're gonna able to know that what the content of that ad is, and after that, from that ad, we can able to define some parameters, and from that parameters, we'll able to realize that this parameter affect this much, so the views and like will excel that or decrease that. So from that, we gonna give the insights. Another thing we extract is the comments on their videos. So let's say there is a one ad, and if the comments are negative or positive, this is the main lookout for a company. So it's called the sentiment analysis. That would be also done via extracting the comments. So let's have a look from an example that I have made it. So in this example, my company is a company like a service based company, and I want to grow in a IT department as a service based company. So these are my main competitors, TCS, Infosys, and Wipro. After that, I have done their content analysis, add content analysis, and after that, these are the parameters which are affected this much amount. Let's say video title relevance 8.5, call to action clarity 8. So these are the parameters which are defined, and from that parameters, these are the key insights that companies should follow to upgrade more and to reach more peoples via their ad. So these are the key insights: content optimizations, engagement patterns, areas of for improvements, performance drivers, common success factors. So that's how I have made it this project. Thank you.